Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about Trello and how to make money using Trello. After creating your account, you see yourself on this dashboard, and now you leave your dashboard and listen to me. I will just stay in the first page and give you some advice. So not think that the video is lagging or something. I'm just not touching the cursor, the mouse. So Trello is a fantastic project management tool that can help you make money by organizing your tasks and projects effectively. With its intuitive and user interface and customizable board. Trello allows you to keep track of all your projects all in one place. One way to make money with Trello is to use it to manage your freelance work. You can create a board of each client for each client and add cards for each project or tasks. You can also add due dates and checklists to ensure that you meet your deadlines and deliver high quality work. Trello can also help you to stay on top of your business finances. You can create a board for your invoices, expenses, and payments and track them all in one place. This can save your time and help you avoid costly mistakes. Another way to make money with Trello is to use it to manage your marketing campaigns. You can create a board for each campaign and add cards for each task, such as creating social media posts or writing blog articles. You can also add due dates and checklists to ensure that you stay on track and meet your campaign goals. The Trello has also a collaboration system which can help you make money by working with others. You can invite team members, clients, or contractors to your board and assign them tasks or give them access to relevant information. This can help you coordinate and delegate tasks more efficiently, leading to better results and faster project completion time. Trello also integrates with other tools and platforms such as Google Drive, Dropbox, and Slack, which can further enhance your productivity and streamline your workflow. For example, you can attach files to Trello cards from your Google Drive or Dropbox account or receive notification about Trello activities directly on your Slack channels. Additionally, Trello offers a range of power apps and integrations that can help you automate and optimize your workflows. For example, you can use the Butler Power app to create custom rules and automate respective tasks such as moving cards or assigning due dates. You can also use integration like Zapier to connect Trello with other tools and automate complex workflow. So here we have the to-do list. You can customize it and add something like this. The background, the mountains, you can edit your templates. Here, this is my to-do list. You can add something to do, something you are doing right now, and something you have done. And it's drag and drop. You can play with it, place it in other lists, give it back. You can add other lists. You can fill all this page with something here. You can change the doing, here you can copy list, move it, you can watch it, automation. You can put, like I said, a video or file uploaded from Google Drive or Dropbox. So in summary, Trello is a versatile tool that can help you make money by optimizing your workflows, collaborating with others, and optimizing your workflows and automating respective tasks, which is user-friendly interface customization options and integrations. Trello can help you achieve more in less time and increase your earning potential. And it's user-friendly interface, like we said. It has a simple account creation. You can switch accounts by clicking switch account. You can log out. You can add shortcuts. Here we have the settings that contains. We have all the settings here, profile and visibility. You can talk about yourself, add the bio. Here we have activities. What did you do? How? Added something, added how, who deleted if you have a team. You can find here the activities that they managed to do. Here we have cards, you can sort them or add them. Here we have the account settings. You can change the language, you can delete the notifications. Here we have the email notification settings, suggestions, you can disable it, marketing email, and others. We have here the 2 verification steps, and your personal data is here. Here we have the templates that you can write your cards and ideas on it. You can choose a search here in a while and open template list. Here we have the recent to-do list. Here we have the workplace. You can add more than one. Here we have more application from Atlassian. Sorry if I pronounce it not correctly. Here we have the notifications, the informations, and the team. You can choose the original team or you can add a new one. And I think you can edit the new one, but I still looking where? By clicking on Trello, you can go back here to your website. We have project management, Kanban templates, simple project board, remote team project hub. We have the workspaces. You can try the premium subscriptions. It has something to do with enterprises, so if you are solo, you can still continue in the free membership. Here you can add members to your workshop. You can view your workshop, to-do lists, highlights, and liked, and the boards here to see all your tasks and workshop. And I think that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.